Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily add cover art or artwork to your song on Genius. Whether you're a new artist or just updating your song details, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Let's jump right into it. Step 1, head over to genius.com and log into your user account. You'll need to be signed in to make any changes to your songs. Step 2, once you're logged in, navigate to your artist page by searching for your artist name in the search bar. Scroll down until you see your profile, and then tap on it to access your artist page. Step 3, once you're on your artist page, find and click on the song you want to add artwork to. Step 4, once you're on the song's page, look for the Edit Metadata button and tap on it. This will allow you to update the details for your song. Step 5, scroll down until you find the Media and Audio section. Here, you'll see the option to add song art. This is where we'll be placing the album cover or artwork for your track. Step 6. Now head over to your artist page on Apple Music. Find the same song with the cover art that you want to add to Genius. Long press on your album artwork and a menu will appear. From the menu, select Open Image in New tab. This will open your artwork in a separate browser tab. Step 7. Once the image is in the new tab, simply copy the image URL from your browser's address bar. This is the link that Genius needs to fetch your artwork. Step 8. Now go back to the Genius tab. In the Song Art response box, paste the image link that you've just copied. Once you've done that, click Save to publish your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added cover art to your song on Genius. This can make a huge difference in how your music's presented, so I hope this tutorial helped. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more artist tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.